Mom is California, part of California now. It's a big wave. You already got some there? Alright, here's Mom's ashes. Is that the rest of them? There's more. Tommy, dispersing their ashes. There's Mom's ashes. Hey, Mommy. We're letting all of your ashes go back to the earth. There you go, Mom. These waters are a lot colder than the Hawaiian waters I put you in, Mom. Yes, they are. Look, there's some kelp beds out there. Here's Mom. Mom is free.
Mom, you're free.
Yay, she's free.
Spirit's soaring now.
It's so strange how there's still bones left. Okay, here's a few more ashes, Mom. And here you go. Woo! Into the water. Yay. Into the water you go, Mom. Oh, well, yeah.
You got a wet finger, stick it down in there. Yeah. It's inert. It's Mommy. Mommy is you. You is Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Wave of the sea, dissolved in the sea. I am the Father, make me the sea. I am the Father, make me the sea. Woo! You're getting bigger. Wow, that was a lot. Okay.